how to set your photo as wallpaper on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set your preferred photo as wallpaper on your Samsung phone, go ahead and open the gallery app on your Samsung phone and then select the photo you want to set as wallpaper. Once you selected the photo you want to set as a wallpaper, tap on it once, click on the three dots at the top right. Then locate and click on set as wallpaper. Now, you'll be able to set this as lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, lock screen and home screen wallpaper, and you'll be able to set the photo as always on display. So in this case, I'm going to set this as my home screen wallpaper. Click on home screen and then hang on a couple of seconds. This is going to give your phone to readjust the wallpaper to fit your home screen. So this is what you're going to have. You can come to frame and then adjust the frame to fit your choice of frame for your wallpaper. But in this case, I'm going to go with the full frame. Now go ahead and click on done at the top right and hang on a couple of seconds. Once you see changes applied to home screen, go back to the home screen, then you should see your wallpaper changed to your photo. You see that? So that's exactly how to set your photo as wallpaper on Samsung. If you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.